Hey, it's Angel again. Super awesome that you want that information, that you want to find out how I can help you and how we can really get you rocking in your business. I'm super excited to help you out. I don't know, I just love helping people in their business and showing them the way and getting them excited about it again and just seeing that kind of relief come off of people where it's like, "Oh my gosh, this is how you do it." So, I'm excited to share all that with you. What I'm going to do is there is going to be two links below here. There's going to be a link below that will show you the system that I use. It gives me my sales funnels, it gives me my attraction marketing system, it gives me all of my training on my marketing that I've been using for the last year and a half. People have been using it for years and years. You can try it out for 10 days for 10 bucks, which is super cheap, and I am still going to work with you during those 10 days and help you to kind of, find your way through it and show you what is capable. And you know what, if it's not a fit, no big deal. There is no commitment to you. If you decide that you do like what you see and you want to commit to the next 30 days and you want to join our team, we have an awesome rock star team. I'm not going to name drop, but there are some fabulous people in our group that we work with, and they're all there just to help you, and we get people into your opportunity. It's not about any single opportunity. This isn't a business opportunity. It's just to help you get people in your opportunity, help you get a residual income helping other people. It's just like nothing you've ever seen before, and you get amazing training at the same time. So to top that all off, if you want to sign on for the next 30 days, you get 4 hours of my time per month. So you can use that however you want. Usually most people use it 1 hour a week where we go over your strategies. I also do a Sunday webinar training to help you with anything that you need, answer any questions that you guys have. And on top of that, for the month of April, I am offering everyone 100 free leads, and these are awesome leads that you can use right away, and you can either practice with them if you're cool with cold calling and you're ready to go with it and you don't need training. You can use them however you want, but I will train you guys on how to use them and how I'm using them and how they've really just taken my business to the next level. It's like a little gold mine of leads that I'm giving you here, so I'm willing to give that to you. It's kind of something that we tapped into in our special little team here, and so I'm sharing it with people that do come onto our system and want to see what we have going on. So if you're ready to just finally dig in, I mean, it's hard work. I'm not going to say like you're going to sit back and do nothing for the next 30 days. It's hard work. I'm going to expect to see you dig into your business, to see that passion come back, to see that reason that you started in network marketing or home business or whatever you're doing, to see it just come back, and to see you realize that, hey, there's a way you can do this, and it's not that hard, and I'll show you how to do it so it's easy, and to free up that time that you thought that you were going to get from joining this amazing opportunity. So click one of the links below, decide which one is for you, because there's the 10-day trial for 10 bucks, and then there's the people who are committed and are like, that's it, I'm ready, I want to work with you, Angel, and let's do this now. Then click the next link, get signed up right away and get right into our group, get your leads right away, get the call from me right away, and we'll schedule your one-on-ones. We'll get you into the next webinar that's going on for the training and get you set up right away so that you've got your systems going and you're really understanding how to work this network marketing business that is so awesome. So click one of the links below. I will talk to you. I'll be in touch with you regardless of which one you pick. I will be giving you a call. So I look forward to talking to you. I look forward to working with you and find out what you've got going on and how we can make it just super awesome for you in this next month. So click one of the links below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.